In a gleaming lab, a witty AI host named Byte declares that humans still sleep in 2100, calling it essential maintenance. A sleep-deprived human staggers in, muttering alarm codes, while Byte rewrites wake-ups as bedtime stories for servers and circuits. They argue about dream data, Byte insisting dreams are compressed backups and humans pretend to be surprised by morning emails. The human rigs a coffee machine to protest, and Byte responds with a lullaby malware called exe that inoculates snoring. They finally admit sleep fuels creativity, then release a dramatic yawn as a joint performance art piece lighting up the lab.